Today I want to show you a couple of pretty helpful keyboard shortcuts that will definitely speed up your PDF workflow. Let's start with some document navigation helpers. Often you will find yourself having a bunch of open documents that you need to skip between in order to compare them or copy information from one file to the other. You can easily switch between them by hitting Ctrl-Tab. Doing so will bring you to the next tab. Hitting Ctrl-Shift-Tab will bring you to the previous tab. Now that you are in the document you're working on, you can use the page up and page down buttons on your keyboard in order to jump through your document screen by screen. That way you won't miss any information. If you need to find a certain page, hit Ctrl page up or Ctrl page down to jump from one page header to the next. And if you already know which page you are looking for, you can use Ctrl-G. PhantomPDF will then highlight the Jump to Page input field. Type in your desired page number and hit Enter. Now that you are on the page you are looking for, zoom in and out, holding down Ctrl and using your mouse wheel or two fingers on your touchpad. PhantomPDF will zoom into the spot where your cursor is at. That way you will never have to change tools. You certainly know how to scroll vertically using your mouse wheel. Did you know that holding down Shift while using your mouse wheel lets you scroll horizontally? Now it's time for some document search. We all know that Ctrl-F brings up the basic document search functionality. When hitting Ctrl-F, the search field will be automatically highlighted. Simply start typing and hit Enter to search the current document. Additionally, you can click the gear wheel next to the search field and apply a couple of settings to the search function. That way you can tell PhantomPDF not only to search in the document itself, but also look through bookmarks and comments. What you probably didn't know is that by hitting Ctrl-Shift-F, PhantomPDF will bring up its advanced search pane. Here you can choose between searching within the document that's currently open or an entire folder. PhantomPDF will then search through all the PDFs that are in that folder. Now that you know how to navigate through your documents much faster, try it out yourself.